Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, that is Tech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very important because we are going to discuss a lot of new things that are happening in the IT industry, and we are going to discuss about the TCS and Anthropic deal. We are going to discuss why company is planning to train employees on cloud AI. We will also discuss about India's first Oracle AI lab. We will also discuss why this big company is not planning to expand its bases, to expand its companies in tier 2 or tier 3 cities. So without wasting any more time, let us move forward. The number one thing that I'm requesting you all to is please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have already not done that, and share this video with all of your friends who are working in the corporate industry. The first important thing that we are going to discuss is regarding the Oracle AI Data Platform Lab, which is going to be set up by TCS in India. Now, gone are the days when big companies, they used to give projects to companies like TCS and they used to provide solutions which is on-prem or on servers, right? Now times have been changing, and they want to utilize, the clients want to utilize Oracle, or there are other AI platforms also which can help them innovate, which can help them increase their efficiency, and which can help them maintain the databases, right? And that is the reason this is a good news, and they're also planning to add more Indian cities in the horizon of 3 years. So this is also going to be a good news for all of you guys, right? The next important thing you might ask, that companies like big companies, they want to go to tier 2 and tier 3 cities, but there are some issues related to harassment, there are some issues related to the workplace culture, there are issues related to the HRs, right? Now you might have already observed that in Nashik case, TCS Nashik, they had set up office in Nashik, which is a prominent city in Maharashtra and in India, that faced a lot of criticism by, because there was some kind of harassment, there was some kind of conversion that was taking into consideration, okay, that was taking into picture. And that is the reason it is hard for companies to tackle that. It is hard for companies to keep an eye on all the management that is happening in smaller cities. In big cities, the big managers, the big corporate leaders, they can visit easily and they can find out what exactly is happening. But for people to do that in the smaller cities, it is very difficult, right? If you look at other cities also, there are other cities, lot of cities, right? Jaipur is growing a lot, okay, Rajkot, Jabalpur is growing a lot. You can find Indore and Nagpur, they are getting a lot of IT companies. Madurai is getting a lot of IT companies. Tiruvananthapuram is also getting a lot of IT companies. A lot of companies are going into this tier 2 tier 3 cities, but the major challenge they face is regarding the work culture and the workspace. Okay, the next important thing that I wanted to discuss is regarding again TCS. TCS has been partnering with Cloud AI. Now TCS management has realized that they don't have any other option. What they did in the last 20 years is not invested on AI, in not invested on some startups. They have not invested in the technology space, not created their own LLMs. In spite of having a lot of money, had a lot of file of cash sitting on with them. They simply provided that in form of dividends to Tata Trust, and they did some like philanthropic work. But now they are realizing the pressure when their share price has fallen more than 60% from its peak high. They are facing all these issues. The company is not getting a lot of projects, and they are expelled. They are expected to grow at a very high pace, because being the market leader and one of the biggest corporate service providers, they have to do this. If they have invested in AI, in LLMs, in building models, then this would have not been the case. So they are partnering and they want to train around 50,000 of their employees on this AI stack. Not only that, okay, they have already mentioned about this 50,000. They have partnered. They have partnered with Anthropic, and they are paying them a hefty amount so that they can utilize the tech stack that Anthropic AI is providing in the form of Cloud A or any other thing. Okay, so one more important thing is that you might already know that TCS AI revenue crosses $2.3 billion. Okay, while being India's largest IT service company, it is recording around 23,000 reduction in the headcount. You might have heard that TCS was one of the biggest private basically company who was providing having a lot of people working for them, right? Around 6 lakh employees after Indian Railways and after India Post and other things, right? Indian Army. So after that, TCS is one of the biggest, okay, was, but now it is not the case, right? There are other companies that can overtake TCS also. So their headcount is continuously falling. You might have already heard that basically the Tata Group CEO, okay, Mr. Not K. Krithivasan, but N. Chandrasekharan, he mentioned that we are not going to hire a lot of employees coming in the next decade. We will be only focusing more on AI agents, building AI agents for the companies, for the client, so that they are able to get more productive work in the less amount of time, and they will be getting more money. Okay, so next important thing, one more important thing, you might have heard about Amazon Fable 5, which is burning a lot of tokens for each and everyone. On top of that, you might have heard about Mythos 5 also, which is provided by Anthropic, which was released to public, but then again there were some like criticism about the AI model, and that is the reason US enforced a lot of bans on that software, including Fable 5, Mythos 5, and Fable 5. If you get a chance to use it, please do try it. It will burn a hell lot of your tokens, but the kind of context it has, the kind of outperforming of benchmark that it is doing, the kind of capabilities that it is having to autonomous all the complex tasks is unmatchable and unbeatable. And that is the reason I insist you all to please try out these AI models so that you will be getting to know about them. And if not, we can create an entire video about all these things. Please let us know in the comment section that if you want to watch that video or not. If yes, then we will create an entire series of video where we will be talking about how you can leverage AI, how you can use AI to build products, how you can use AI to get different jobs, how you can use AI to crack interviews. So guys, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel if you have already not done that, and share this video with all of your friends who are working in the IT industry. I know that almost half of you are watching this video, but you have not subscribed. Guys, please do consider subscribing. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.